Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Firebase Dynamic Links replacement with deep linking step by step clearly. To connect Firebase Dynamic Links replacement with deep linking, start by setting up your Firebase project. Navigate to the Firebase console and create a new project or select an existing one. Ensure that your app is registered in the project. Add the necessary integration for dynamic links in your app's settings. Download the Google Services.json file and include it in your app's project. Now, set up the Firebase Dynamic Links SDK in your app. Follow the documentation to implement the SDK according to your platform, whether it's Android or iOS. Next, configure the URL prefix for your dynamic links in the Firebase console. Choose a custom domain if you want one, and verify it with Firebase. Open the Firebase Dynamic Links section and click on Create Link. Enter the required fields, including the link URL and additional parameters for your app. Next, implement the logic in your app to handle incoming dynamic links. For Android, override the onCreate method in your main activity to extract the link. For iOS, use the application_continue restoration handler method in your app delegate. Add the necessary code to parse the dynamic link and navigate to the appropriate content in your app. Test the dynamic link to ensure it opens the correct screen within your app. Finally, monitor the performance of your dynamic links using Firebase Analytics. This will help you understand user engagement and optimize your links further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.